Welcome to Church Street, Bengaluru's unofficial runaway for indie cafes, flash mobs, and your friend's 37th Insta reel. But hey, just a few years ago, this place looked less weekend vibe and more weekday meltdown. Yep, Church Street was a hot mess. Cars everywhere, pedestrians nowhere. Until Bengaluru decided to clean up its act. Well, at least for 750 meters. Enter TenderSURE. No, not a fancy startup. It stands for Specifications for Urban Road Execution. Basically, a masterclass in how to design a city like you care for humans. Footpaths before parking, wires buried like adults. Street design for people, not for bumper-to-bumper chaos. Church Street became one of the first pilots back in 2017 with a 9 crore rupees makeover. And no, it wasn't just cobblestones and moody lighting, mostly. And those fancy stones you're stepping on? Not imported from Europe. They are granite, laid out in Kasuti patterns, a tribute to Karnataka's textile traditions. A walking street that literally walks the talk on a local culture. Now that's peak Bengaluru. Of course, when Church Street 2.0 was launched, Twitter did what Twitter does best. Laugh, roast, predict doom. Stones will break, flood during rains. Waste of money. Fast forward to today. Yeah, about that. But every good glow up has drama. By 2023, Church Street had a different problem. Too much street. Unauthorized hawkers took over. Footpaths turned into maze runs. Later, piled up. Finally, in 2024, BBMP had stepped in, clearing nearly 70 illegal structures to bring back the claim. Let's be real. Church Street didn't just blow up. It showed up every other Indian road. While most Indian streets still worship cars, here was a street flipping the script. People first, cars second. And guess what? It worked. Studies show that cities with walkable streets like Pondicherry's Promenade, Ahmedabad's riverfront see booming local business, better air, and stronger community vibes. Church Street's number, pedestrian footfall increased by 92%. Air pollution decreased. Local cafes booming. We don't need more flyovers. We need more Church Street. Places where people breathe first and honk never. Next time you are in Bangalore, skip the malls. Walk down Church Street instead. It's not just a road, it's a vibe, a reminder, a movement. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and do tell us in the comments, should every Indian city get a Church Street of its own?